Well, another continuing saga of the cabinet pros. We're building some cabinets or a closet for the triplets here. We're going to use melamine. First thing I'm going to do is trim the edge so I have a good edge to work with. Then we're going to construct 3 separate openings in an existing closet, put a closet pole in. I'm using the MFT, which I've already squared up. As you may notice, I don't have the MFT rail here because I forgot it. It's at home. Fortunately, I had Quasdog with me, which will serve the same purpose. I've already squared up my fence, and I'm just getting ready to set up to do a squaring cut. Well, basically, I'm just going to take a whisker off of this piece. I don't have my other table with me, but I do have my rolling support. Make sure that's tight. And since I don't have what I want, I'm going to just see if that'll work, and it's not going to work. So I'm just going to have to be careful as I change the depth to about 25. And away we go. First time I've used that rail. Measure the length I want, which is 72 inches. And then turn my piece end for end. Oh, you notice we have a work center. It really is convenient to have. And that's what I love about the Quest whole system. Everything makes sense. Bring this mark out to my rail, and I'll be all set. I have my faithful assistant here to catch the cob. Now I only have to do that 3 more times. Well, it's still the same day. We're working on our closet project. We've got pieces cut to size, the height and the width for the shelving. And now we're getting ready to put dominoes in the sides and the fixed shelves so that they can be put together. Already drilled some holes with the LR32. I'll show you how that's done later. We've got a couple more to do. What I've done is I've taken a piece of scrap and I've marked 2 witness marks for my domino for centers. Rather than use the pins, it would end up with 6 across here or 7, and that's more than I need. So I'm going to have 4 across here. Got the domino here with a 6mm bit. As you can see, I have Ron Wynn's plate on it. That's for the bottom, which I'll do in a minute. Right now I'm going to do the center cuts. All the center cuts are going to be done with the narrowest setting, and then I'll do the wider settings on the shelving. Great tool to have if you don't have one. It's a great addition to your domino. By the way, we're north of Boston, and it's about 88 today. Tomorrow it's supposed to be in the mid-90s. I'm sure you're all experiencing the heat wave that we're getting. So this is going to register on the side, and everything is square with the domino. I had it set to the smallest opening. do a shelf anywhere you want. You put top line where you want your shelf to end, and then you register off the bottom of the domino. Just be sure to register off the top of your shelf when you go to put the shelf in. You'll be able to see.
Go ahead.
This is a pattern piece I've been using with my witness marks, and I just put it, always have the finished edge out, so I can just go ahead and transfer those marks down so I know where they are. Same thing for the top, where I'm going to be putting a top shelf to go across and connect all 3 units. I already have that marked. Just like before, these are all going to be the narrowest opening. The outside ones are registered with pins. Back again, and I'm ready to do the shelves. So I've got my witness marks. Finish edge is my reference point, so that's going to be a standard domino width, and then I'll increase it for the other 3. And again, I'm using the plate, and this gives me a reference from the bottom and from the center shelf. Outside cuts, I'm referencing from the pins. You can see my dominoes there. Since I have it set at a wider motion, I'm going to start on the unfinished edge as opposed to
Do it again.
Now I'll set it up to go in the opposite direction. You take your top stop off. Gotta reverse that. 16 up and out is what I'm using for this. Just put my gauges back on. Bryce Brunel has a very nice video on how to do all of this using the parallel guides that he showed us in one of the training classes. You can find that on blog. Very useful for repetitive work. But since I'm only doing a couple, it really doesn't pay. Now we just go back the other way. As I said, I have it marked back, front and back. So back starts just a few slots up. And again, plunge, click, plunge, click. It's very simple.